The Aostirmotor S05 Electric Bike is recommended for adults who want a high-performance bike for everyday use. It comes with a modernized mountain bike frame made out of rust-proof 6061 aluminum that is easy to pedal. The Aostirmotor S05 has a 500-watt brushless motor, giving a respectable speed of 24 miles per hour. Plus, it has a single charge range of 21 miles when you use throttle exclusively, or up to 43 miles with pedal assist powered by its removable 11.6 amp-hour Samsung lithium battery power pack. The S05 also has a 7-speed Shimano rear derailleur, so you can control and ride it like an ordinary bike. The equipped 2.5-inch tires offer good grip and comfort whether you bike on the road or go over dirt or gravel. High performance and efficient for everyday commuting, the S05 is an excellent choice for a reliable ride. Get yours now and have it delivered to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed, with free shipping and no sales tax outside Wyoming. Simply click on the link down in the description box below or visit us at electricbikeparadise.com. You can also contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise only here at Electric Bike Paradise.